Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Oval.
What does the dictionary say?
Having the general form, shape, or outline of an egg.
Math rap.
An oval has its own special form, a shape that isn't always norm. It looks like an egg or ellipse. It isn't quite circular, but curvy it is.
Math rap.
Explain ovals in your own words. The great debate. Oval or circle? Which is best? Debate with the class. Why are NASCAR racetracks an oval shape rather than a circle, square, or triangle? Would you ride a bike if the tires were oval shaped? Why or why not? List as many everyday objects that you can that are oval in shape. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!